pink yellow glossiness right here. I am diving into a lot of bold looks that I feel are more common or that I'm seeing popular for this summer season. If you do have suggestions for a particular color, make sure to let me know so I can incorporate it in this series. So if you're interested in recreating this look right here, make sure to keep on watching. Alright guys, I already prepped and primed my eye. We're going to be going in with some Coastal Scent Hot Pot. The first one we're going to go in with is Passion Fruit Pink. Next we're going to go in with Neon Bright Pink. We're going to start to darken with Cinnabar Rose. We're going to go in with a smaller fluffy brush just to concentrate the color and buff it out. Place on the edge and work my way all in the crease. I'm going to get a flat dome brush and start cutting the crease. I think I'm going to bring out my white concealer for next video and see how I like it, because I feel like this one is good. It's not as bright as I would like it. Next I'm going to go in with Cantaloupe Slice, and I'm just going to pack that color with a flat brush. Go ahead and brighten up the inner corner with Bombshell. I'm going to go with Cinnabar Rose. Go ahead and switch over to a short, dense brush so I can place the product on the edge and start blending it. So I want to push the color toward the inside so I can lay down that kind of like smoky eyeliner effect. And then I'm going to do the edges. I'm going to go back with Cantaloupe Slice and brighten up the center. Sometimes when you're using mattes and you start blending, they might not be as vibrant.
Sometimes when you're here, I can feel no doubt, 'cause you keep me where the stars are bound. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter, 'cause I feel so free now.
So this is the first time that I try the Maybelline Lasting Drama Waterproof Gel Pencil in my waterline, and it's already smearing. I'm actually quite disappointed. The color we're going to go in with is Passion Fruit Pink. Next we're going to go in with Neon Bright Pink. I'm going to start deepening up the outer edges with Cinnabar Rose. I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal pencil. It is in the shade Lumiere, and I'm just going to set the base for the inner corner because I want it to be really bright. Alright, I feel like that highlighter was not working for what I wanted. It kept moving the pencil, so I'm going to go in with the LA Color Strobing Powder in the color Champagne. I'm going to go in and try to brighten up the waterline. Alright guys, so that is the finished look. Let's talk about a couple of products that are new that I'm using for the first time today. Let's talk about the Maybelline Lasting Drama Pencil. I use this only in my waterline and I feel like it's just transferring and it's messing up all the bottom. So no, not recommended. The Naked Skin Illuminator looks really nice. By itself, it's kind of like a subtle highlight. It does take a while to build up, but I did like it combined with the e.l.f. drops, which are amazing. I think these are like $1 or $2. So the trick that I always do is with primer. I really liked it. Today I did this. Definitely more glossy than this one. It's kind of like more oily too, so you have to be careful not to store it down because it will get kind of greasy in the bottom. But I really enjoy the glossiness that it is giving me. I did put that right here and I topped it with a little bit of highlight. Lastly, let's talk about these lips. This is from the Ruby Kisses line and this is the shade Nude Rose. This is a comfortable creamy formula. It's not super matte. It is pigmented and it's only $3. I think it looks way glossier on camera than in real life. So today I used the LA Colors Translucent Setting Powder for underneath my eyes. I don't know what happened, maybe because the black was running and I tried to fix it, but my under eyes right now look kind of dry and cakey and I don't know if to blame this or to blame the whole situation. So that's pretty much it for today. For these next couple of videos, I am trying to do all bold colors, so if you have suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Also, make sure to turn on your notification bell and subscribe so that you can get notified of all my videos. Be sure to follow me on all my social media, Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook. Like always, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.